Hey everybody, I have something really exciting I'd like to share with you today. My name is Jason Reed. I'm an 8th degree black belt, and I created the Black Belt Training Club. See, I've been in martial arts for over 26 years, and I've been lifting weight for over 37 years. And I've seen lots of martial artists do well in the classroom, do all the technical stuff, but I see them die their energy out at the end. They lose strength. They just fizzle out at the end of the workouts. In our martial arts lessons, we get some strength and conditioning done, but a lot of it has to be focused on martial arts. I also see a lot of parents and people over 40 years old trying to get started training again, but they have the idea that they're 20 years old and they want to beat themselves up. And so what we found, strength conditioning, getting adults started and martial artists is missing a gap. And so that's why I created the Black Belt Training Club. This does 4 different things. This, number 1, helps people know what to do, what strategies I do, how do I get started. Number 2, it gives you nutrition. If you're doing the best workouts, but you're putting the wrong food in your diet, then it's hard to keep the body going. Number 3, it's going to keep you consistent. And that's the big one. Most people know what to do. They know what to eat. They have a hard time staying consistent. We have monthly challenges that stays consistent. We upload each and every day what you're doing in the workout. And so this keeps you consistent and keeps you going. Number 4, boring. Most people get bored with workouts. So we get the workouts focused on what you want to do, specifically on what you want to accomplish, not just a boring template that everybody does. So what happens is you get to go through our program, you learn what are the things you're doing, what are the goals that you're specifically looking for, then get a workout focused specifically for you. You learn from other like-minded people just like you sharing their workouts. This is what I want to do for many years, and so I wish it was around, so I just created it. So you'll see what I recommend for beginning students to. So those in martial arts trying to take their strength, conditioning, flexibility to the next level, it's perfect in there. So inside, you'll get all those different things, the condition aspect. You'll get community feed. We'll be talking each and every day through group challenges about staying consistent, and a weekly tracker to keep track of your numbers. So we find out each and every week how you're doing and how to improve. There's 3 different levels to start. To start, the lowest level is $19 a month. That's basically everything I just talked about right there: curriculum, challenges, community, accountability. There's mid-tiers where if you want to get one-on-one with me and get specifically weekly check-ins where I check in and see how you're doing, that's next level. And then 3rd level is getting one-on-one with me each month. But just get started, start the $19 program. If you want to get focused and you're serious about your training, you can try this out totally risk-free for 7 days. You try it, you don't like it, it costs you nothing. And why am I doing this? Because I care. I see so many people trying to take the next steps, but they're taking the wrong steps. They're wasting energy and time, beating themselves up, and they're wondering what's happened. They're also having a hard time committing to doing this too. So I've had 38 years of strength training, 27 years on the mat training in martial arts, 25 years of teaching, and I've made pretty much every mistake you can make, done injuries, overdone it, and I want to save you the time, the effort, and waste on this one. So if you're a martial artist ready to level up, if you've been ready to start a workout and we're looking for the right reason, then click on the link below. It's 7 days risk-free, and I look to see you in the club.